to survive in the wild? What a question, right? Well, today I'm making a recipe with some kind of sweet little wild vegetables you find in the country, and you can make a beautiful and delicious meal without even thinking about it. And then if you know all these little tricks, you will be able to survive in the wild. They're called dandelions, okay? And I'm gonna make a nice recipe with pork loin, beautiful pork loin that has no fat, no bone, but it's amazing. Now, you have to remove the silver lining. You know why you have to remove the silver lining? They say that if you don't remove it, then the taste or the spices or the herbs just don't penetrate the meat. Okay, so we have to remove it like this. It's gone. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, it's beautiful. It has no fat. It has no bone. It cooks easy. Don't overcook it. Don't make it commit suicide. No, it's like this. So what we are doing is we're cutting it in portions. When you cut it like this, it cooks fast. No, it cooks fast. You don't have to worry. Like this. And we're gonna make something totally traditional. It's amazing. I like working with this kind of meat. That gives me no problem. No bone. So now we're going to saute this in hot oil. Now that looks good. A few minutes inside. We need a few minutes inside to brown a little bit, and start cooking. And it's going to be amazing. Now, the next step is I need onions. Like this. You put those in, plus one big onion, wow, this is going to be so good. Of course, you know that pork loin doesn't take very much long to cook. Because the more you cook, the more it gets dry. So you have to remember always, it has no fat, no bone. Be easy on the cooking. Okay, salt and pepper. So we're gonna wait a few minutes for the onions to like cook down, wilt, and then we're going to add our dandelions. Look, I have them ready. They are picked, hand-picked, and now is the season, and that's what they are. You have to cook them in plenty of water and salt. They just need about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, no more than that, otherwise you're going to lose them. So now I'm going to add them right here. Look. I like them a lot. People make wine from the dandelions and the flowers, and we like to eat them as a warm salad with other vegetables and olive oil and lemon juice, and they are amazing. But this recipe is my favorite. Look. Just a little more. So 2 people can enjoy this. This is enough for 2. There you go, like this. There. And then what I do is some chicken base. And we're going to let it cook for about 15 minutes. When the liquids are gone down, then we're going to make our avgolemono. You know what avgolemono is, right? The egg and lemon sauce that we usually put on top of our food. We're going to make the avgolemono, and it's going to be complete. So, next step. I couldn't find fresh dill today at the market, so I always have this available, and this needs dill. It's endless, don't worry. It doesn't look good, but when it falls down, it looks like, I don't know. I don't like the color. Anything green. Okay. But I can still I can smell the scent. Then avgolemono. Have you done avgolemono ever? 2 eggs. You need 2 eggs. You just separate them. You just have the white part here, and then this weight. The egg yolk weights, and then the other one. You need 2 to make it nice and plentiful. Okay? And you need, for this recipe, blah. For this recipe, you need 1 lemon, the juice, and you need a few spoons, large spoons of the juice of the food. It's right here. It's ready, waiting to be used. Look, it's my lemon and the... So we are going to beat the whites. It's ready. Doesn't take long, it's ready. You have to let it cool down a little bit before you put the avgolemono. Otherwise, it's gonna boil and it's not gonna be good. So we're using a little bit of the juice of the food so it can blend. All the flavors can blend, right? And the lemon juice. So here we go. We are going to pour this on top of our food that has cooled down a bit. Look. And now what you have to do is go like this. All around, so it can go all around and it can go inside and it can go around and inside, and the flavor can go and do the magic. So now I'm going to serve. Look. Those dandelions are amazing. And the meat. Where's the meat? And the meat. And the wonderful sauce. Wow. And you have something delicious, everybody. It really is good. It really is amazing. I wish you try this recipe. Go out in the fields and pick your own dandelions. It's the season, it's spring. You don't want them to overgrow and become hard and bitter. Now they boil fast, so they're there and they're free. And I'm Litsa, and have a nice day. Bye.